Hey Bracelets, this is V Brace for Impact. I'm coming to you today to do a unboxing. Yes, I just did the dip nails on my nails. I haven't really polished them yet, but they came out pretty good though. So let's get started. So this is from Bubble Cakes on Etsy. You can find them on Etsy.com. And she had a few of her fall time waxes and bath products up. So I'm gonna go through it. So this is pumpkin pie wax melt. Looks like it's a sample. And her stuff, it smells pretty good. It smells really good. Ain't pretty good. It smells really good. It's a nice size sample right there. Ooh, smells good. Like you really smell her fragrance. I'm getting ready for fall time now since it's about to be August. So, you know, just getting some of my fall scents up. Let's see. We got pumpkin cupcakes. I'm trying to open it. Ooh. That's pretty. It smells good. Has a nice scent to it. This is Zombie Brains. I think Zombie Brains is supposed to smell like apples or something. I don't know. Yeah, it smells like green apples. And that's cute. Got pumpkin bread. I don't think there's nothing on pumpkin bread. Pumpkin bread is just plain. Oh, sorry, y'all. Trying to open it. But yeah, pumpkin bread is just plain. There's nothing on it. We got s'mores. Ooh. Looks like hot chocolate. It kind of has more like a Tootsie Roll hot chocolate smell. I guess maybe like once you melt it, maybe it'll all come together. But right now it smells like a hot chocolate Tootsie Roll smell. So I did get the caramel apple. Because her bath things, her bath dust, it's always good. They fizz good and have a good color, and the scent is delightful. I had to get Trick or Treat. That's candy corn, of course. Let's see. I got Dracula's Blood. I believe that's like Love's Bite Me scent. That's what this is, Bite Me scent. And it's Dracula's Blood. So I got two of those because y'all know I love the Bite Me scent. And I got zombie brains, which is green apple. So that's it from Bubble Cakes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 BAFTAs. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 waxes. And of course the sample. That's it, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and brace for impact.